Hi, welcome to my lesson today. In the previous lesson, we already learned about the predator and prey, and now we do continue listen to the audio. In the previous lesson, I sent you the paper in which I print out the tables for you to fill in the blank. But now we don't do it on the paper, we do it on Google Doc. That's right. I send you the link to this Google Doc, and then you listen and fill out this blank. Okay. This is first example. I will start the audio, and then you fill out.
In certain ways to survive in nature. One of the stark realities of the animal world is that most species fall into one of two categories. Predators, those that hunt other animals for food, or prey.
Yes. Already? Hear something? Predator, right, is our keyword here, and it means that the predator hunts. That's right. You have the correct answer, hunt. And listen to next one. It keyword here, prey, right?
Those hunted by predators.
Prey. Those. Yes, hunted by predator. That's right. And you will do the next part also in the Google Doc, and then you after you complete, you type it on Zalo for me, and then I go to this link and check your answer. Is it correct or not? Moving on to the next activity, I will share with you something else. Now you listen to order. And then you will fill out this mind here to see. You need to like compare. That's why you compare the difference, and or something like the realities between the animals. It have the instinctual behavior. What does it mean? Yes. Okay. Good job. It means that something you when you give birth, you have this behavior. You don't need to learn, or you don't need to follow someone. Okay. How about learn? Yeah, it has the opposite meaning, right? The things, the behavior that you need to learn to do it. Okay. And we have with the instinctual behavior, we have what animals? Parrots. That's right. And the parrots here live in flock. How can we call the group of birds? Yes, flock of birds, right? Flock of birds. And with the parrot is bird, right? Yes, that's right. And parrot, when it is a pet at home, it have the different behavior. And with the learned behavior, we have wolf. It live in nature. And with dog, it's trained by human. That's right. Okay, you listen, and then you realize the differences, and you compare this animal with each other. Now I will do the first one for the example, and then you listen and complete the table, and then I will call some of you to present your table before the classmate and ask about what you hear. Okay. Remember that during the listening, you can take note, and then you go back to this link and fill out the information to complete the comparison. Okay. Now I start the recording. I will do the first one, for example.
It is behavior that does not need to be learned. For example,
Now listen to part 2 of the lecture and ask
can be seen in the animals humans interact with regularly, including household pets. For example, parrots are very
What can you hear? Parrots, right? That's right. Okay, is a live in flock or is a pet at home? Yes, a pet at home, right? So now listen to fill out. You need to take note and then you fill out.
social birds whose instincts drive them to live in flocks. In addition to the protection that a flock provides, birds in a flock interact with each other socially
Okay,
and clean each other. When a parrot is singled out to be a pet in someone's
okay. Who can say for me when parrot live in flock, it has some behavior that is instinctively? You. Okay. You can say it for me? Yeah, it interacts socially, right? How about other? Yes. It clean each other, right? Okay. So after you listening, you can fill out that clean each other and take care others. When they live in flock or something, you can write whatever. Okay. And you are clear about that, right? So now you start listening and then complete this table. Okay, after you finish listening, you already fill out this table. Okay, I invite someone to present the comparison here, and you talk about it. What you hear? What is it? Thank you. After your friends sharing about the comparison between these animals, and we have the clear picture about the different behavior of wide range of animals, right? Okay, now this is the end of our lesson today. In the homework, I will send you some activity in Word to compare the behavior of these animals to make sure that you have the clear picture